Hi, I have a project here. Look at these. These growing outside and so pretty right now, and but the containers start to tear apart. So I'm going to reprint this thing, and I'm gonna put them. I want to move them into these plates. Okay, so this plate is an old plate and a little chip here. And I'm thinking how I'm gonna use these. So I have idea. I draw a hole here on the bottom, and I cannot grow the plate so the plant can grow like this. The succulent can grow like this shape. So cover it up. I think it looks pretty. So I don't know. Let's see. I have some idea. I know how to do it. So I'm gonna try it. I think it will be looks very pretty. So. Okay, okay, now I'm going to put them together now. And this is the old plate, and you draw the hole here, and for the drainage. And I have these things. This is packing material from when you buy the old t-shirt, they have a packing material like this. Anything like this or water bottle, you can cut something to like this. And I think clear would be better. And this is how I'm gonna do it. I use the tape to secure this ring, and doesn't need to be perfect ring. So I just want it to have a little higher area, so it can hold the soil better this way. Okay, just like this. Doesn't need to be perfect wrong. Yep, and then I can start to print in something in the middle, something in the center is higher. So I'm thinking about this one. Okay, I'm done now, and it looks good for now. And I think it looks a lot better after you start to fill out the spot. Look like they still have a lot of space there, and I'm hoping they will fill out the spot, and it will look very full and compact, and that will be looks better. So right now, I think it turned out good. So I'm kind of happy. I think it worked. I think it will grow pretty good. And succulent, they don't require a lot of maintenance. I don't need to be very careful to plant them. I just squeeze them. I don't worry about hurt them because they are very tough plant. So I don't worry about those things. You saw I pull out some plant. Their roots a little bit rough there, and they are totally fine. They will bounce back. Even they don't have a root, it's okay too. You just cut them open and stick into the ground, they will grow root. This is succulent. They are so tough. You don't need to worry about too much planting them. So that's it. I like it. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye.